Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? My name is Beth and I'm the crazy cat lady. So how's everyone doing today? I'm doing well. Halloween, we did get a storm here in Connecticut. Very windy, but I got 18 kids and I'm surprised on that because when I moved in here, everybody around me said, oh, you only get 2 kids or 3, or I got 18. So I bet you I'm going to try to increase it next year and see what we can do and up the ante on what I give out. The kids loved what I gave out this year, but we'll up the ante next year and give out even bigger and better stuff. Right. Anyways, this is another basically Halloween one. I went on Etsy and I wanted to do a mystery box, Halloween mystery box. I never ordered one on Etsy before, and this is a cheaper one. It's not expensive. It was very cheap. I paid 10 bucks. It wasn't the person that sent it to me, very nice, very personable. She kept, messaging me through the Etsy and asking me questions and saying, oh, she even took a picture of sending it to make sure that she wanted me to know that she was actually sending it, try to get here, around Halloween. But it didn't get here until I think the day after, but that's okay. It's no problem. But I just thought it was so nice of her, and I would have to, I'll put her link below, and her name, on Etsy, but she does, I don't know if she does, what kind of mystery boxes she does, but I got a small one. And I don't know if she would do something for Christmas. I don't know. But she really taped this good. So it's this big. And she even personalized it with a cute cat on there. So I told her that I love, black, cats. And as you can see, black cats. And I do love all animals. But I guess over the years I'm now more partial to cats. Ooh, what is this? I'm already seeing something interesting. Look at this. What? I can't wait to see. So let's see what's in here. This seems really... Let's see. I am going to check and see if she does anything for any of the other holidays. So she decorated it on the outside. She really, this looks like duct tape on the top. Purple. Cute, cute, cute. I'm here like twisting it around. I hope nothing is breakable in here. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna tear right into this. I'm excited. I love mystery stuff. And honestly, it's like a... This is so cool. And I urge you, I'm going to get, urge you to get stuff from her. Because she's very personable. She asks questions. Like, what do you like? Spooky. Scary. And, different things. And I told her I like spooky, black cats, witches, stuff like that. So she tries to personalize this stuff for you. And if she does have one for Christmas, if I like this box and you all like it, God, this is... trying to get it, I don't want to hurt anything that's inside. I think she wanted to dress this up. I get the idea of what she wanted to do, but it's a little harder to open when you do. But I smell something. Wonder if there's anything. Okay, now, oh, there we go. Now, let's see what isn't in here. Oh, first thing right off the bat, I got this. Really, really cute. Oh, this is so cute. And then she sent me a little outrageous, because I told her I like Reese's cups. That is so cute. This is adorable. I'm definitely gonna put this as a display next year. Bazooka Comics. Oh, this is, Cabbage Patch Kids Flashback. This is Garbage Patch Kids. This is pretty spooky. Let's see what else is in here. She got me pumpkins. I got 3 of those in here. Okay. That's cute. That goes with my collection of pumpkins. This is, what is this? This is cool with the skulls. I don't know what it is. It's like, maybe it's like a sticker. Oh, it's like you peel it. It's like a sticker. You can put it on something. Okay. Skull sticker. Alright. She even put batteries in this. That's cool. Some skull lights, which these come in handy. These are cute. Okay, I'm liking the light. So far, I like the coffin the best with the lights. Alright. What is this? It's just like a cardboard. It's cardboard, actually. Different. Plastic skull. Oh, this is cute. A skull bracelet. Really like that. I like the skull bracelet. The Reese's Pieces. And I've been dying for some chocolate, so yes. Love that. And no, this is funny. Sticker. And I got a note. And that's cute. She sealed it with a little sticker. Hello, Beth. Happy Halloween. Thank you for your order of a small Halloween mystery box. I'm excited to watch your YouTube video. Please send it to me after you upload it. I really hope you enjoy everything in your box. I can't read it because she had the mystery boxes on my SD. My Halloween mystery box will be available all year round. And SD review would be very much appreciated. Have a great Halloween. Chloe's Box Shop. Alright. That's it. So she puts these Halloween boxes all year round. I mean, so far it's cute. You know, like I said, I didn't pay a lot for it. But I think it's really cute. I do love little small pumpkins. I mean, this I love. And a cute little bracelet. So here's a color changing light bulb to make your room blue and pink and any other color. Really? Okay. Oh, that's cool. And that is it. So it was a very cute box. I have to admit, I really thought it was adorable. I mean, you got your candy. I got a little bracelet. I got this cute, and I love these. These could be expensive. And these cute. I haven't seen Garbage, to be honest. Garbage Patch Kids stuff. This is, I think, a sticker too. This stuff in years. And this is adorable. I love this. I love coffins and stuff like that. And let me see. This is a changing color. Okay, let me get that. So let's see. Oh, neat. So she got me a remote control and this little bulb that you could put in a light and change colors. That is cute. Huh. Very, very cool. I'm going to have to try that out. Happy Halloween. And she put Happy Halloween. That's so cute. So, let me put this, just to make this. I'm going to see if it works and then save it for, next year. But that is it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween mystery unboxing. I really, really love surprises and mystery, especially when you order from someone and they take, they do what, you put your feedback in, you put your feed in there and your feedback in there, but they pick everything out for you, which I love. I really do. I love surprises. And look at how cute that is. I really love that. And I don't know. This is really cute. I think this must have been made. I don't know, because this is like a cardboard. But this is really cool. I like that. And all these stickers. And these is vintage all the way. Vintage. I love that. And that's cute. I don't know where I would put this. This is, I'll keep it in my... And I like the idea that she put the candy in here too. So, the little skull. And I'll show you my, for those that haven't seen it yet. But I have this up. And I actually put these cute things. And you can, yes, I do watch YouTube, as you can see. Really, really cool. See, you could tell. So, I love Halloween. I really do. Really, really cool stuff. So, with that said, she does an amazing job on putting a cute little box together. I didn't get, it's a small one. You know, it's a small box. I didn't get a huge one, but I do love these lights. I really do, because I love decorating, and this is so freaking cool. So I hope everybody enjoyed this. This is really cute, and I'll put her name or her, you know, look at how adorable that is. A little letter, you know, very personable. I love that. And a really cute seal. I love it. So, and this is adorable too. Skulls. So with that said, I got a little of everything. I got a little jewelry, little decorating stuff, and I love this because I will definitely use that. And candies, and I love Reese's. And that's it. That's it, everyone. And the changing bulb is cool too, because you can use it for anything. It's like pink and blue if you want it all, you know, use it all year, or just use it. I'm wondering if it would fit outside. Use it for Christmas, because I have 2 lamps outside, actually 3 bulbs outside, 2, you know, freestanding old-fashioned lamp, the post, and then 1 close to the house. So I'm gonna try it out. Maybe it'll work, and then I could put like blue or whatever, you know, for Christmas and stuff, or pink. So anyways, I am going to end this video. I love you all. Thank you all for supporting my channel and being here, and anybody that's new, hello and welcome to my channel, and anybody that's been here for a while, I love you all just the same. So have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. And let me know in the comments if you would like to see other different type of mystery unboxes, because I love doing this. This is such a surprise. I couldn't wait to open it. It's like the suspense. It's awesome. So I really love doing these. All right, with that said, have an awesome day. Bye-bye.